Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklet Educational Channel. So this is the time for the weekly quiz. Yes, you should know that weekly environmental science quiz is conducted on this platform every Monday. So this quiz is conducted to test your knowledge about environmental science and prepare yourself for the environmental science entrance examination. So if you want to participate, you have to follow certain rules and you can also win prizes along with certificates. So let's see what are the rules for this quiz contest. So these are the rules for the quiz contest which one must read before proceeding for the quiz. Yes, these points are very important, and from this point I would like to say some of the important points. Number 1 is you must answer in this format which is given in the quiz rule, and the number 2 is one top performer every month will be awarded, as I said, with the prize and certificate. So you should participate much more to increase your chances of winning the monthly top performer. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first question is, which of the following provides information about the level of harm by a hazard? So the three options given are magnitude of the hazard, frequency of the hazard, or intensity at the impact point. So I will wait for certain seconds and then I will move on to the next question. The second question is, which of the following statements are correct with respect to zero share? So it is related to succession. The statements are, it is a type of plant succession which is limited by water availability. The second statement is, zero share originating on bare rock surface is not known as lithosphere. Time for the next question. The third question is, which of the following are the primary goals of 2030 agenda for the sustainable development? So you have to select the option correctly because there are 5 options given over here. Let's move to the next question. The fourth question is, how many missions are included in the India's National Action Plan on Climate Change, that is NAPCC? So select the options carefully. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, that is IPCC, was founded in which of the following years? So I would suggest you to write all the options in the paper because it will be easier for you to write in the comment section when the quiz is over. The sixth question is, which of the following statements are correct regarding the climate forcings? And the first statement given is the negative forcings warms the earth, and the second statement is positive forcings cools the earth. So think about it carefully. Time is running out. Let's move to the seventh question. The seventh question is, which of the following statements are correct regarding Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority? So two statements are, number 1, it was established in 2003. Number 2 is, it is meant to promote afforestation and regeneration activities. Let's move to our 8th question. The 8th question is related to the biosphere reserves in India, and the question is, the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is located in which of the following places? So it is one of the famous biosphere reserve. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, you have to identify the correct full form of UNESCO. So try to look into each and every word carefully. So guys, we are moving towards the final question of this quiz contest. And the 10th question is, dash are the substances which are secreted to the outside by an individual and received by a second individual of the same species. So it's a bit tricky question, try to understand it nicely. So here we have come to the end of this quiz contest. Hurry up guys and write all the options in the comment section. And stay tuned for tomorrow to get the results of this quiz contest, and you can also join our Instagram and Telegram group to extend your preparations.